Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Earth and entering the place you want to inspect. This gets you on the right geographic canvas. Once the map centers, zoom in progressively with your mouse wheel or the on-screen plus control until buildings and roads become crisp. Make sure you switch to the 3D globe view if you prefer perspective. It helps orient you. Once done, pause and position the map over the specific street segment you want to view in detail. Now enter Street View by selecting the Pegman icon or by clicking any small blue image thumbnail along the road. When Pegman appears, drag and drop him onto a blue highlighted section of the street. That loads a 360 degrees panorama from that exact spot. Use the white arrows in the scene or click and drag to look around and move forward or backward. Make sure to adjust the compass for correct orientation. It keeps your bearings as you navigate. Finish by refining the view. Zoom to crop distant objects, rotate to change heading, and use the tilt control to adjust vertical angle for building facades. When finished, click the back arrow or exit street view to return to the map context. This preserves your last camera position. If imagery fails to load or shows gaps, try clearing the browser cache, disabling extensions, or switching browsers. These steps often resolve streaming or rendering glitches, so you can continue exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.